In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove null or blank values in Power BI using Power Query, specifically focusing on managing your data before it's loaded. If you're working with data sets in Power BI, it's often crucial to clean your data by removing unnecessary blanks or nulls that could impede your analysis. So let's dive right in and learn how to do just that, efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to open Power BI Desktop. Once you have that running, you'll see a tab called Home at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Then look for the Transform Data option, which will open up the Power Query editor for you. This is where the magic happens, providing you with a robust environment to manipulate your data. Once inside the Power Query editor, you'll need to select the specific query or table that you want to clean. This will be the dataset that you wish to work on. Now, if your aim is to remove rows where a particular column contains null values, you'll start by clicking the drop-down arrow that's located on the header of that column. Here, you'll notice an option that says Null. Simply uncheck this box and click OK. This quick action will filter out those rows where the column was previously null, giving you a cleaner dataset. Suppose your goal is to remove rows where every column in that row is either null or blank. You can accomplish this by using the Remove Rows function. Located in the Home ribbon, you'll find Remove Blank Rows. Clicking this will ensure that any rows devoid of data are automatically removed, sharpening the focus of your dataset. Alternatively, you can also add a custom step if you wish to have more flexibility or control over the process. A strategy here is to count the number of non-null values per each row, and then filter to retain only those rows where the count is greater than 0. Executing a function like table dot. Column combined with list. Non-null count can actually achieve this for you, providing a nuanced approach to your data cleaning process. Sometimes, instead of removing nulls, you may want to replace them with a default value, such as 0, or maybe unknown. For this, select the column or columns you're interested in, then navigate to the Transform tab. Here, click on Replace Values. You will then set null as the value to find and input your desired replacement value, and just like that, those pesky nulls transform into meaningful data. Once you've finished cleaning up your data, it's time to finalize everything by clicking on Close and Apply. This will not only save your transformations, but also load your freshly revamped dataset back into Power BI Desktop for further analysis and reporting. And that's how you remove null or blank values in Power BI using Power Query. It's a straightforward process that can make a world of difference in how you interact with your data. If you follow these steps, you'll find your datasets cleaner and your reports more accurate than ever.